In this video, I'll be showing you how to use Ask Studio on YouTube. Now, Ask Studio is an AI feature that simply goes through your channel and gives you basically the best ideas or the best things that you can do to improve on your overall performance of your channel. Now, sometimes it can be for a specific video. So say, for example, this YouTube short is currently public and I want to see how it's currently doing and what I can improve on. So all I need to do is simply select catch me up on this video, and Ask Studio will give me a comprehensive overview of that specific video. Whether it's a video or a short doesn't really matter. It will just give me an overview. It will let me know what is working, what is not working, and what I need to improve on so that the video and the channel overall does even better. So let it just go through the content. And then you can see here, it's just giving me an overview of the video, Look for Happiness. So you can see here all it's telling me. And if you have any questions, you can go ahead and answer the question, ask a question, and it should respond. If you want to choose whether it's a good response or bad response, you can do so. And I recommend you do so that the AI becomes better when it comes to helping you. If you want to copy the response so that you can jot it down and go through it later, again, you can choose to do so. Now that's for specific individual videos. If you want something for the channel overall, you can just click on this AI button next to the notifications, like so. And then as long as you haven't asked any more questions, you should be able to ask Studio for help with any of these things, such as summarizing your channel's performance or suggesting new video ideas based off of the content that you're currently doing. Thanks for watching. If you have any more questions or comments, especially about YouTube and Ask Studio, feel free to leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.